Hi, welcome back to Branching Out. As you can see behind me, we're into like this huge storm that's going to last throughout the week, and we're going to get some really low pressures here, or low temperatures here. Here's -7. It's not like it is in Calgary where it's -50 out there. But as you can see, the wind has picked up substantially, and it's doing a little bit of damage to my greenhouse. Now I'm going to show you real quick what I did to it. But before I do that, I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to be working on today. The same thing I was doing last week. That's why I love having a greenhouse. And when it's days like this, you can actually do something and get something productive done. You know, like I can't even trim, but I do got a couple of good videos coming. I'm going to do a review on one of those hand chainsaw pruners. So watch for that, and at the same time we'll do another pruning video. I found a good apple tree out the back 40 there that we're gonna try and look at. But when the weather works with us, we'll do that video. So stay tuned for that one. And right now, like I said, I work for a really good company, and when they don't need something, they just let me have it because, well, they're never going to use it. So I did get some more of this channel stuff. So we're going to be building up our seed bench here. This is our seed starting bench. And we're going to solidify it, and then I also have on order some of that woven plastic weed barrier. So we'll be getting that in hopefully next week. That comes in. So again, stay tuned next week, and we'll be doing some more work in the greenhouse. With the temperatures being as low as they are, definitely working indoors. So I'll give you a quick show of these the damage that the wind's done so far, and then we'll get started.
That's when I walked into the greenhouse today. This was all folded back and broken off, so all I did was throw a couple of screws in there to tighten it up a bit and hope it'll last until I can fix it in spring. There's not much I can really do to it right now unless I go out and buy the some kind of plastic, some more of this stuff, or the corrugated plastic. So I'll be thinking about that solution. So right now, oh, and then on the other side, what happened is I'll just take you down there real quick, as you can see. Okay, as you can see, I blew out this piece of plastic right here. I came in and it was just right off. Thank God for this other piece of plexiglass that I have. It's a little thicker. It's a 1/4 inch thick. We'll have to find some more plastic and or something to fill in this door as well. I was planning on replacing the door, so I don't want to spend any money on it. So again, it is pretty much 1 degree inside here, even though it's about 2 degrees outside and probably about -5 with the wind chill. I don't know, it's pretty damn cold. I'm pretty bundled up. So we're gonna get started on this bench here and show you as I progress. And we might even get into some cleaning up of the joint here. We've gotta do some figuring. I'm always thinking about what I'm going to do, but like I said, my projects always evolve as I think about them. So let's get to work. All right, I got a lot of this assembled. Now we just need to put a little top on it. We're gonna go grab some wood right now and put it on the top, and we'll see how we do there.
Okay, so it's all done now. I'm just waiting on the woven weed barrier that you get for like nurseries and stuff like that. I have some coming in for next week. And then I'm going to move this table out, and then I'm going to put that down and then put the table back. This is just to show you kind of what I kind of had in mind. I want to make it strong enough that you could probably put a skid here, so I could just come in with the tractor and grab a whole skid of things. At the same time, at the end of the table, it'll be on the ground, so I'll probably be doing a lot of pots on the ground on skids, so that it's a lot easier, because I don't want to be grabbing one at a time, right? I got to think ahead, because picking up 100 plants, pretty tiring and a waste of time. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned. I know the video is just a little short, and it's not a big one this week, but I have to do what I have to do when I can do it. So the wind kind of stopped about a half an hour ago, and the sun tried to poke out. It's getting a little late, so I'm going to go get some dinner, and I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up down there and subscribe.